Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com to give you an overview of Candy's Card Club for March. Each month, I put together a really awesome deluxe crafting kit that is mailed to your door. And in my kit, I give you all kinds of goodies and everything you need to make 8 unique cards. And they are designed to give you lots of ideas on how to use my featured bundle, as well as duplicatable projects that you can use again and again. So let me show you what is up for March. So I am featuring Sunshine and Tulips Bundle. This is really a great bundle, and it is from our spring catalog. That is the stamp set. It is a photopolymer stamp set, which all of them are moving forward. The dies are really fun to use, and this big one is kind of the star of the show, but you have lots of different ways to create tulips and a beautiful tag as well. So that's the bundle, and it's not included in the kit. You can add it on if you wish. So also included in the kit is a half pack of this really fun Splash of Sparkles. I think I got it right. Designer Series paper. Now, I give you a half a pack, and typically I cut this in half for mailing. This month, I am sending it to you in 12 by 12 format because I couldn't figure out where to cut it, that you would get a full, get all the designs in here. So these are the B-sides, believe it or not, beautiful, kind of fresh, bright colors. And then the A side has a lot of glamour, a lot of sparkle. I mean, how can you cut that piece in half? So this is why I'm sending it in 12 by 12 format, so you will get a full sheet of each pattern in Splash of Sparkles. I'm going to turn this over because it's picking up a lot of light. Now, you can get all the information you need about my card club on my blog at sweetstamper.com. There's a tab for club. So let me show you what else you get in the kit. You get a half a package of this paper. You're going to get a full roll of this beautiful 1/8 inch faux linen ribbon in bubble bath. But I'm going to also show you how to make this into different colors. You do get a full package of these iridescent foil gems. This is spring mini catalog. This is annual catalog. And let me show you the 8 projects that you're going to make. So here's the first 2, and you can see how that paper behind there just gives you all that fun sparkle. And I like to give you experience in different ways of utilizing the stamps and the dies. So we're using the border, we're using, whoopsie, the insides, all kinds of bits and pieces. This is my pair that are all stamping, no dies. And then I always give you at least 2 fun folds. So this one is a vertical gatefold. And believe it or not, this piece right here, that's the designer paper. We didn't stamp that. Now I'm going to show you as well how to color the ribbon, how to color the little tulips that are white, lots of fun things. Now, when you get Candy's Card Club in the mail, and this is a subscription, although you can get it for a single month, and you don't get the rewards if you do the single months. So this is the way my packet comes. So you get all of this, all the consumables, and you get a card packet with your QR code. Now I'm going to send you the link as well. Some people prefer to access the tutorials with a link from an email. Some people are like, yeah, I might miss the email. Give it to me in a QR code. So that's on your kit so that whenever you're ready to complete your project, it's right there ready for you. You can see that everything is sorted into individual envelopes. So you do get your 8 envelopes. Now, yes, here it is. I did want to show you, after 6 months, I do give you a rewards gift. And here's an example of one I've done recently. So I always put them in these little cute organza bags. And here is one of our kits from the kits collection. And here's a lotion with a cute little tab. tag, and then a handmade calendar and a roll of ribbon. So this is typically a, minimum $25 reward gift. And I love to spoil my club members with that. In addition, I also do a Facebook Live during the club ordering period to give you additional ideas on using these items. So I like to give my club members lots of ideas. These are the ones that I did for the March kit. So this is using, I did pull in the arches, but this is using everything from the kit. And all of these use the paper from the kit, use the dies from the kit. And then I added some other dies and things so that you can see the versatility of the consumable products that you get with your kit, and how you can also mix and match them with other things you might already have on hand. So there's 4 additional projects plus the 8. Now you get all the card kits for these. These are purely ideas, but there is also a video that you can start and stop. It's on YouTube. So that is Candy's Card Club for March, featuring Sunshine and Tulips for, this is sticking, fresh, bright sunshine and tulips. Very aptly named. Thank you so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.